Well, everyone, I'll go and give you a quick breakdown of how to use the Facebook Messenger application. Now, this is a messaging application within Facebook. It's really cool. It has a ton of capability and tons of features. But if you've never used it before, this is pretty much a quick breakdown. So to download it, you want to download it on your App Store or Play Store. It looks like this. And whenever you're ready, you can go and open it up. If you already have Facebook logged into your account, it'll already pick that account up. If you don't have it, you can log into your Facebook account and you should be good to go. Now, this specific application is broken down into 4 different parts. You can see we have chats at the bottom, calls, people, as well as stories. So if you want to go ahead and post stories, go for it. That's awesome. But in this case, we'll go and be focusing basically on the chats. Basically, if you want to call people on Facebook, if you want to, see other people on Facebook by clicking people right here, you have that type of capability too. If you have tons of friends, you will basically be able to see all your active friends here, and you can always click on their, chat, and you can chat with them there. Under stories, if you ever want to post a story, if you've ever seen anybody or if you've seen anybody else's stories on Facebook, you'll basically be able to see them there, which is cool. Calls will just go and show you the people you've called, and that's pretty much a quick breakdown of the bottom. Now on the top, you'll see 2 different things. You'll see that little, drawing icon, and you'll see your profile icon there. If you click on your profile icon, it'll actually bring you straight into your settings. So here you can go and figure out how you want to, configure your whole entire application, your phone number, your privacy, if you want your notifications on, if you have any orders, payments, if you photos and media, switch accounts. You can also go in and get into your portal down here. If you ever have a problem or if you need help, you can always click on these 2 options and they'll break it down a little bit further for you of exactly how to use this application as well. Now, if we go and swipe back up, if you ever want to change your profile photo, you can always click here. You can take a photo of yourself, you can choose from your library, or you can use an avatar as well. There's a little bit of a breakdown there. Now, swiping back out of here, if you go and click on the pencil icon, it'll go ahead and actually showcase to you a lot of different things and a lot of people who are around you. And if you want to start a new chat, you can go and click there and you can go ahead and start a new chat with those people. Now here we'll go and break down exactly who is live, and if there's any other stories or anything, it'll show you there too. But in this case, we have a message that I've already done. So let's go and click on the message. And here it's basically like any other basic messaging app. So here, if I wanted to, I can go and click right here. And this is where you would type. So if you wanted to send yourself hey or whatever, well, you can go and send hi. And you can go and, this is basically the send icon right there. You can go and click that send icon. And that is pretty much how you send messages. Now, if you swipe down, you can also go ahead and send a lot of other things. So if you click this plus button, you can go and send money, you can send a video icon, or you can send your location. If you click on the camera, you can go and open up your camera application if you allow access, if you allow microphone. And you can go and take a video if you want to and send it over to that person as well. If I go and click that X button, if I click into the photo gallery, I can go and allow access to photos. And I can send other photos that I've had here too. Or I can go ahead and click here right here, and I can go ahead and send a voice message if I want to. And there you go. I mean, there's a lot of different things you can do right within this application. I can go and send this off as well. So right there's a quick breakdown of this. Now, that is basically the main thing. If you want to get into their Facebook profile, I think you can click right up here, and it will basically give you a little bit more of a breakdown of your relationship with that type of person. So here you can see themes, emojis, create group chats with this person, notifications and accounts, so many other things here. Now, if I go and swipe back out, another thing you can do within these, messages is actually sending a, reaction to some of these messages. So if I go and hold down on a message, you can see I get this little pop-up. And all you have to do, if you really want to, you can go and thumbs up a specific message. I can hold it down. I can give another reaction. I can also go and give a thumbs up and a like if I want to. I can kind of just keep doing it, I guess. So you have a little bit of a breakdown right there too of basically how to use reactions. Now, swiping back out, I mean, this is pretty much the main thing. As you can see, it'll go and start showing you who's live, and especially the people you've been chatting. But that is pretty much a quick breakdown. It's a very basic messaging application. Hopefully you know how to use it by now. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.